Are you still struggling with your skincare? I mean, you spend lots of money on skincare products and you still don't get the results you want. Worry no more, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into beauty and skincare. If you're new here, my name is Maggie, and please don't forget to like this video, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post, and subscribe for more beauty tips, makeup tutorials, and lots more. So let's get right into the video. Today I'm going to be talking about a very common issue many of us face: why our skincare products don't just seem to work. Well, there can be several reasons, and today I'm going to explore 6 of them. Let's get started. The first reason can be using the wrong product for your skin type. Now ask yourself, what product am I using and what is my skin type? This could be the exact reason why your skincare product is not working for you. For instance, oily skin needs products that can help control oil. Dry skin needs hydrating products. Like this CeraVe foaming facial cleanser now, it's for normal to oily skin. You see, it's written on it, normal to oily skin, and it's oil control. So this product is definitely for oily skin. Dry skin needs hydrating products. Now this CeraVe hydrating facial cleanser is for normal to dry skin. So if you're still having breakout, dryness, or other skin issues, it could be because you're using the wrong skincare product. To know your skin type, the best thing to do is to visit a dermatologist or an esthetician to test your skin, so you know the kind of products to use on your skin. Reason number 2 can be environmental factors. Do you know harsh weathers like the sun can affect your skin? Sunscreen creates a barrier that can help retain your skin moisture. So applying a sunscreen before you go under the sun is very, very important. When you layer your skincare product, sunscreen comes last before you go under the sun. Even your pillowcases, dirty pillowcases affect your skin. So do away with dirty pillowcases. It's 2024, throw your dirty pillowcases away or wash your pillowcases. Your towel as well. In fact, maintain your hygiene. Your hygiene is also your skincare. I mean, it is part of your skincare. A good hygiene is a good skin. The third reason can be inconsistency. Trust me, skincare is all about consistency. I want to sleep, I wake up tomorrow morning and do my skincare. It doesn't work that way. Skincare is all about consistency. You should stick to a simple routine and just be consistent with it. There are some products that don't work until after several weeks, like a couple of weeks, and then you start to see results. So you have to be patient with your skincare routine to see the results you want. So consistency is key to a glowing skin. The fourth reason can be poor diet. Do you know what you eat affects your skin? I mean, too much of sugar causes breakout and inflammation, so you have to reduce sugar, incorporate more of vegetables and fruits into your diet, like eat healthy stuff. Sugar causes a lot of breakout, so reduce your sugar and eat more healthy stuff to get a glowing skin. Do you also know that stress and lack of sleep can impair your skin? Yes, not having enough rest and sleep can affect your skin. A normal sleeping time should be around 7 to 9 hours each night. So if you're sleeping less than that or more than that, then it's a problem. So ensure you get enough rest, like the average amount of time you should be sleeping. The last but not the least reason can be incorrect application. Yes, the way you apply your skincare products on your face matters. It goes from thinnest to thickest consistency. So for instance, you want to apply your serum before your moisturizer. Moisturizer doesn't come first. Your serum comes before your moisturizer because the serum is very, very thin. So from the thinnest to the thickest consistency. Do not overuse your product. Learn how to use your product in moderation to ensure each product is properly absorbed in your skin. I posted a video how to layer your skincare products. You can check it out on my page. It's going to be very, very helpful. So guys, guess what, we've come to the end of this video, and I hope this was really helpful. If you know you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who might find this helpful. Bye guys. Mwah!